In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily download and install Epson L130 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match would appear in this window before we can proceed. Once it's here, please click on Open to continue, and in a while you would be navigated to the Google Chrome browser itself. So all you need to do is you need to wait until it would be ready for you, as well as the option of the Google Chrome browser would be available for us as well. So from here, once the search bar would be appearing, please type for Epson space L130 driver. Once done typing, hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result and you can see a first result. Okay, just select any of this and click on this download icon, click on it, and you would be able to see the Epson L130. Please scroll down and click on this downloads to refresh the page and wait until the driver would be showing here where you can download it. Okay, so it will automatically detect the operating system. The Windows 11 is not detected since this Epson L130 is not available for Windows 11. So anyway, Windows 10 100% work for the Windows 11. So click on this driver and it will show you the printer driver. All you need to do is you need to click on this download and eventually it will ask you to agree on the license agreement. Click on accept to agree to it and it will now start on day downloading. So click on keep and wait until this would be done. Okay, so please wait until this would be finished before we can proceed to the installation. Okay, so once done, all you need to do is you need to click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. Okay, so once here, please make a right click on the application or the file that we have just downloaded. Okay, and click on the cut icon. Okay, once you have do it, close the window as well as this one and please make a right click here at the desktop and go with the paste icon. Okay, so once you have pasted it, you can double tap on it to extract it or to unzip it, or you can simply make a right click here and please scroll down on the list and navigate to the WinRAR and go with extract to. So once done here, all you need to do is you need to proceed at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So kindly navigate at the left pane and select for Bluetooth and devices. Okay. And from here, please navigate with printers and scanners and click on add device. So please wait until you would be proceeded to the manual installation for the printer driver and click on add manually to manually add for our printer driver. So we just have to wait until a new window would show up in this screen, which is the add a printer. Okay. And once it's here, please select for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. Click on next. Go with half disk. Click on browse and click on the desktop. And from here, scroll down on the list, double tap to it, double tap, double tap once again, and select the printer driver. Click on open, click on OK, and it will be added here. Click on next. You can rename it if you want to. In my case, I don't want so that we can now start on the installation. So please wait until this would be finished. Okay. Once done, click on next and go with finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Epson L130 series in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.